So officially, we will start at 1:35. So we still have 4 minutes to go. So bear your time and find some drinks or coffee or tea and be relaxed and enjoy my webinar. And I will try to, give you everybody smooth and quite comfortable. Thank you. Yes, a very good afternoon. I'm from Sydney. As you can see my poster, this is a Sydney Opera. Yes, so and I really hope every single of you will enjoy my seminar, this webinar, and I will take the time to give you a very brief overview of what we can do from the UNV display products. So our slogan that is covering work. So we will not want work will be boring and no colorful. We just want the work is colorful, especially in Australian market. So first of all, let's take a look at our vision of a UNV display. So during the presentation, if you single of you have any questions, you may pump up your questions and just write it down into our webinar. Our colleague and our expert will try to answer your question as soon as possible. If some questions will not be answered today, we will try to reach you and answer your questions sooner or later. Yes, we are UNV. Yes, we have a very great and bright vision for our UNV display products. That is our global professional display products and solution provider. Maybe some of you are very familiar with UNV before. We did have a good job in the civilians products, but we will not ever stop at the moment. We will continue with our brilliant and wonderful display products because we see the market is crying for our products, is calling for our products. So I have to introduce this to you all guests. And actually, we did have a very good foundations that is totally in 9 years. And we are founded in 2011. That is after 9 years of the growing. We are now 6 times of the employees, starting from over only 500 persons, and now we are reaching nearly over 5,000 employees. And also our revenue starting from the 44 million US dollars, and now we're reaching by the end of the 2019 over 700 million US dollars. That is a very great and success and a big growth. And currently, and UNV was top 4 player in total security and civilians player in globally. And in our display products, and we have a very good market share in China. That's reasons why UNV want to bring and looking for business partnership in Australian market. We would like to grow with Australian display market player. We want to bring this brilliant and 100% R&D by UNV to this market. So if single of you have interest, just let us know. And next, let's take a look at our milestone. And some of them maybe you have interest. I have never heard about UNV from display products point of view. Yes, it is true, but not the voice from overseas, but we did have a good job in global and China market before. And our display product line, or this we call the department of display, was founded just as the beginning of UNV. We are first of the LCD video wall launched in 2013. This is the first time we already launched these products. But at that moment, this LCD video wall is working together with our CVD's products. That means we have the front end IPC camera, then we have the middle NVR and decoder, then we have the LCD video wall together to bring a total solution. And then we are just bring to the market and the first generation of the fine pixel LED launch, that is half of the 2016. This is the very first step. We are entering into the fine pixel LED market. This is a very good noise we can bring to the market. And step by step, especially in 2019, half of a year, the finest, the fine pixel products we released to the market, that is 0.9 millimeters and mini LED products. This is one of the very big and a milestone for UNV display products because this is 100% R&D by us. And also this is one of the leading and finest pixel products you can find at the market at the moment. And now we're not stopped there. At the very beginning of this year, 2020, half of a year, we released the full series of outdoor products. Then we can bring customers of the full range of the pixel, starting from 0.9, 1.2, 2.5, into 4, 6, and 8 pixels are covering indoor and outdoor full scenario. And after 2020, half of a year, we also released one of the very interesting, and maybe we can see that is between the commercial and partnered products, that is interactive display panel. This is very interesting products we will bring to government, education, and office use. this is a very interesting product. Maybe some of them, maybe you have interest. So this is a very milestone of the products of the display milestone. Then let's take a look at our quality control. And we do have a very strict quality control we call the testing point. That all of the products will go from testing point 1 to testing point 5. Then the products we call its maturity and can satisfy and meet customer strict requirements we can do. So normally we have three different choices, three different processes we do. That is, we select the high quality components, such as we use X-ray test and sort-free test, cross-selection analysis, and a 3D measurement. This will guarantee products is 100% accurate and precisely designed with the specification. And the second of all, we do offer over 680 types different tests during product development, product pre-production, and mass production. This will guarantee all of our products will meet the most strictly quality control, not only in Australia, but Europe and American United States of market. And we have the full process of traceable system. Anything you are not miss, anything you will not see through, I mean, from the whole process of the strict quality control. Now let's take a look at some of our quality control system. Then you can see we have a dust-free anti-statics workshop and LED dashboard automatically inspection. And also we have LED product aging test and LCD product assembly line, LCD product line mechanism arm, and also QC and package drop testing. All of these will guarantee every single customer, you get the products with perfection, with no any problem, and you can just open the box and easily and pack, easily install and assembly as you wish. And then let's take a look next slide. We're talking about different regulations and rules we will fully comply with. So as UNV, we are first-class manufacturer with extensively certifications we can do around the globe and around the world. And for the different safety and EMC and all of these regulations, we did a good job, like the European and the USA commonly used the standardized we call CE or FCC. This will be normally required by different manufacturers. And also we have the industry highest software maturity testing standardized by the CMMI number 5. What does this mean? This will guarantee customers will have the best user-friendly software with no any problem, with ease of use, with a great functionality embedded, but you will not have troubles of the bugs or etc. This is highly standardized from the software industry and maturity. And also we do have the green technology certification of the ROSE. This will guarantee the products complies strictly with European and the United States of market of the green product certification. Also we do, I mean, for the European, Germany certification of the tube, and also we did a good job for the security and the system company level certification such as ISO 9000 and 14000 series products. For reliability, we did wonderful as well, like our IP certification, RK series certification, we did good job. So next, I mean, let's take a look at our whole product line we will introduce today. The first, generally speaking, we are a whole product line products. We covering surveillance, also we covering display. But as today, my major topic that is display products. So I will focus on the display products and give you a very great and brief overview. The first products we are using and we deliver to the market, that is our LED monitor. And as the monitor, we do offer two series to the market. The first series is our entry level, starting from 22 inches, 24 and 32. This is a major resolution as 180p. And also we have the Pro series. The Pro series is starting from 28, 32 and 43 inches. And these two product line will give customers a great different choices. The entry series is because of starting from entry, so they are made of the plastic covering. Well, the Pro series, they are made of 100% of metal. I mean the body, so this give customers a very strong body, and durability is really, really good. And the second series of our display products is our narrow bezel LCD products and video wall. And normally, currently, we offer the market and two kinds of the bezel, I mean the widths we can do. That is 1.7 and 3.5, so 3.5 millimeters. The size can go from the 46 inches to 49 and 55 inches of the products of LCD video wall. And secondly, is the most important product line we can offer to the market and the commercial market. That is our LED products. As I just introduced before, our LED products, we're covering whole product line. The pixel pitch are starting from 0.9 millimeters to 8 millimeters. That is totally wonderful for indoor and outdoor scenarios, such as our P8 millimeters products is perfectly, working with outdoor environment with a high brightness function features embedded. Last but not at least, we can offer the market with a controller. But we did not only offer controller, we do for decoder and video wall controller. So normally the decoder is working with traditional IP-Civilians total solution. You can, decode your IPC cameras, then forward the traffic, to the video wall or LED wall. But for purely commercial LED display environment, we do offer video wall controller. I will introduce this in more details later, this chapter later, okay? And then let's take a look at the details we offer for the LED products. What the major benefits we do for the market, what we're different, okay? So first, you can see we call our monitor that is not only RT monitor, that is industrial monitor. So what is the major difference compared with traditional IT monitor? The first of all, that is long time usage. As we all know, as an IT administrator, maybe you will only look at your computer or monitor for up to 12 hours. Then you will get off your work and you just close the computer, close your laptop, you go out of work and you have a rest. However, for the whole IPCVDs, environment, 7 hours or 12 hours is not enough. You have to have your computer or laptop or monitor to working as long as whole day, 24 hours, 7 days, and 365 days. That means you can't afford the monitor problem of the failure. So the major difference that is industrial monitor can afford and guarantee users have a 24 hours and 7 days usage. There is no problem of stopping usage. This is wonderful features we can offer to the customer. And the second of all, that is our wide view angle. And normally for IT-based monitor, the wide angle can only be as big as 160 degree. This is the most biggest degree I have seen normally in the market offering. But for us, because we're industry monitor, we have to guarantee every single users can view from a different angle to check the status, to check the alarm, check everything, what's happening, accident. So we do offer wide view angle with up to 178 view angle. They have a perfect view. You will not miss any trouble and accident from the online, from the monitor. The third of the point that is we do offer and the monitor with audio in and built-in speaker. Some of the customers may have the questions why your monitor will offer this function. I think there is no use. Yes, it is true. If you do have a computer or laptop, this tool normally embedded there. But when we think about the total solution with IP civilians, maybe you are not have a laptop or PC. You only have an RPC and VR. In this case, you will definitely need this monitor. That means you will not spend money on the laptop. The IPC grabs the traffic of the audio, then pass to the NVR. NVR will transmit this traffic, goes to the monitor. The monitor will possibly to have the two-way audio and audio and the speaker functions. Then you can directly talk to your IPC. That works perfectly and reduce cost and also makes it easy as possible. The final functions we do offer are that is anti-electromagnetic interference. Well, as we know, normally in a big room, you will have a lot of different electromagnetic interference. So what we think is how we can reduce, how we can avoid this and ignore electromagnetic interference. So what we did, that is for our, as I mentioned, we do have two series, the Pro and Entry. So in the Entry, we did have some wonderful insulation to the floor side of our computer to make it strong and prevent and the electromagnetic interference. Well, for the metal version, we call Pro version. That is because of it made of metal, so natively, and it can work, prevent anti-electromagnetic interference. This is perfect and wonderful to use as industrial monitor. So these four major functions and to tell the difference with our industrial monitor against normal monitor. So customers should find perfectly to use and with cost performance we offer to the market. So if any of you have interest, you just let us know what we can do for you. We will offer best price performance to the market. And the second of all, let's take a look our brilliant, the LED products. I think all of you will look into. So first of all is our ultra narrow bezel LED video wall. As I introduced, we do have two different choices at the moment. The first one that is 1.7 millimeters, the bezel, and second one is 3.5 millimeters bezel. So the size can goes from 46 to 55, but we did can embed them together, make a big screen, and also we do offer several different the chassis to hold them. Either you can wall mount or you can floor stand. So this is choices we do can provide based on customers different requests. For this ultra narrow bezel LED video wall, we have four major benefits we can bring to the customer. So the first of all, that is we do have provide the full color functions, and this color is very vivid and is very brilliant, and we are bigger than NTSC 72% of standardized. So this is brilliant color you will have. And the second of all, that is we can reduce and also we can control the blue lights. Normally, if you look at the monitor for a longer time, it could hurt your eyes, but we will reduce and control the blue lights for you. And the second of all, that is our ultra fast responsible time up to only 8 milliseconds. That means we will reduce and prevent the ghost in image in this LCD video wall. But last but not at least, we last but not sorry, last but not at least, we do have a very good functions is anti-burning technology. As we know, if a still picture is placed in this video wall for quite a longer time, every cell of the LCD could burn. That means for a longer time, your still picture will be still there, and you will have not possible to change to other videos and still pictures. That could be a big problem. To destroy your total cost of ownership. But we do have functions to anti-burn technology that will have the possibility you will not have this problem to prevent the burning, from your LCD video wall. Okay, this is the LCD video wall introduction. Then let's take a look at our LED products. Yeah, a lot of customers waiting for. And one of the first products I would like to introduce, that is our indoor Eco-Fine Pixel LED products. As I can see, as all of you can see, it's eco means economic. Yes, it's very good price performance and it's good size. The pixel pitch can range from 1.5 to 2.5 millimeters. And this is a square size products and is very compact and light, weight. The weight is only about, each cabinet is only about 5.18 kilo. That means each single person can carry one or even two per your request. That's reasons why I think this is very wonderful products, because as we all know, Australian market, the product itself is cheap, but the labor cost is very expensive. But with these products, we can reduce the total cost of ownership, we bring it more economic, bring it more basic and fundamental for the customers. And these products, and also you can do the maintenance either from the front and from the rear. So it's very easy to use, operate, move, and install. All of you, maybe you want to know more details of the video, so you just go to UNV Australia. Then you will have all of the videos there. You are feel free to check them. If you think any of the question, you just let us know. We will answer any of you the questions. So this is our very good economic fine pixel products. Yeah, then I would like to introduce the highest standardized products with our indoor, the finest pixel LED products. So for these products, we can see the available pixel pitch is starting from 0.9 to the 1.8. And it is very typical, it's 16 to 9 full HD 4 kilopixel to pixel resolution. It's very ultra-thin and light body, is cable-free, fanless is the design. But these products we can only do that is front installation and maintenance. So this is our physical design. I will introduce to you what is a major technology we are bringing to this wonderful technology, wonderful products. And now this 4 point I mentioned is exclusively to 0.9 millimeters mini LED products, but we can provide this technology to any other pixel pitch. If you have interest, if you let us know your thoughts and your vision, we can write and work where we can write there and work for you. So first of all, that is our 0.9 millimeters mini LED technology. We are using RMD 4-in-1 integrated, packing technology. This technology is a very latest one. Then you will have the much more easier, the operation possibility, and also we reduce the problem, the fault rate, and also make the work more efficiently. And the second of all is our common cathode technology. This is a very good and intelligent power supply technology. With this technology, we can reduce 40% of the energy usage, but at the same time, we can provide the 40% or more lifetime usage for you. And also we have a good function like a smart module. Smart module, that means each LED module is embedded the smart module function already. And you will not need, before this smart module function is embedded in sending box or receiving box, but now we do it. And we made it, smart module inside of each LED module. That means even you moved LED module, you will have no problem of the calibration. The calibration is perfect. You do not need to double check, and replacement is brilliant. So this technology I mentioned, like 4-in-1 integrated packing, common cathode technology, or smart module functions, or even we can offer the redundant power supply, and also the redundant signal, redundancy good features. These functions are all available currently for 0.9 millimeters and mini LED at the moment, but we do provide these functions to other pixel pitch products. If you have any interest, just let us know, okay? So this is majorly our different product line, just as I introduced, our industrial monitor and ultra narrow bezel LED video wall, and our entry level economic LED display, and also our very finest pixel LED display. Okay, these 4 products line, if you have any interest, just let us know. We can send you brochure, and price is upon request, okay? And then let's take a look at our video wall controller products. Yeah, and as we are a UNV display, we not only offer the display products, but we did offer the good choices of decoder and video wall controllers. Normally, if you are looking for the total solution together with IP surveillance, you definitely will need decoder, because we will transmit the signals IPC to the video wall. But if you are a very professional commercial LED product supplier or advertisement, so we are looking for that is not decoder, but video wall controller. We do offer good choices of video wall controller. The pictures you see is a very big one. That means we can do a lot of the coloring, a lot of the output to different screens. And what's the function of the video wall controller will do? That is a powerful video wall control function such as splicing, open different window on the big screen, and roaming. You can just drag the pictures from one screen to another screen as you like. And also we have the picture-in-picture features. All of these four functions is just the fundamental functions we do offer from our video wall controller. Surely you can check with us for the more details of our video wall controller. Well, when we talk about the control and management, I mean, the hardware is not only one part, but also we do offer the software controlling functions modules. That is we call the video wall control software. At the moment, we do offer three different choices to the market. The first one, that is easy station. Second, easy wall. And thirdly, that is easy control. And all of you may have the question, what is the difference? What I should buy? As I introduced, UNV is a pioneer for IPCVs, but now we do have good positions for display. So if the supplier need a comprehensive solution covering IPCVs, security together with display, then Easy Solution is perfect tool for you. You only need one tool. It is free of charge and you can install on the PC. That is perfect. You open and to use. And second of all, if you are a commercial supplier of LED, you will not need Easy Station, trust me. You only need that Easy Wall. Easy Wall majorly focus on the video wall control function, the LED setting, LED configuration, all of them. So you will need only is Easy Wall. Well, if you think sometimes maybe you need, the mobile application, mobile usage for your traveling, surely we can do. We offer Easy Control. Now Easy Control is based on Android application. You can just download and control your video wall LED solutions. That is perfect. So we offer three different choices of the video wall LED controlling software for you to choose. And the next is our solutions I would like to introduce to you. On the left is a very traditional solution we can offer to the market, that is civilian center. And typically you will have the IPC and the NVR decoder video wall and to the LCD video wall and LED display. So this is a very traditional civilian center. But the point I would like to mention to you that is UNV can offer all of them. There is no exclusive, there is no excuse UNV cannot do. We surely can do everything. So you only need to find one supplier from UNV to provide all of them. Well, if you are not interested into civilian center, surely we can do a meeting room advertisement display. This is the new, very new and very good solutions from UNV. Surely you can have the PC signal where the HDMI, DVI to video wall controller, then video wall controller will have the DVI output to LCD video wall and LED display. Surely not only the PC signal, you can have the media box, TV, and everything you need because we do offer a lot of different products. I mean, can help you to assist you to make your advertisement more vivid and more intelligently for your solution. So this is two solutions. I think for professional commercial supplier, the meeting room advertisement display solution is perfect for you. You can only remember we do offer a whole solution for civilians industry. Okay. Now let's take a look at three different scenarios I would like to point out and mention today. Okay. So the first of all, we do emphasize and we do customers can understand that's commercial display. Okay. This is the future of our commercial display, but this is not the stopping. This is just beginning of our UNV display, the milestone. And we think our UNV products are more customizable. That means we can do customized based on the user's experiences. Because in the future shopping environment, people will not have the one choice of the shopping. They can have, as a people here, you can see this is the future of the Westfield Shopping Center. You can have a very good different size of interactive display panel. You can choose what you want, what you like to eat. At the same time, you will have wonderful view of the technology for different solutions of the display. Our products and guarantee customers will have a long lifetime, like 5 to 10 years. And also we do offer the solutions you can quickly change your content and publish instantly, quickly and very efficiently. So this is a commercial solutions we can do and offer to the customer, okay? And this is the future. I think UNV will play a very good role. The second, the scenario is conference room. And in the current stage, still very some of the old, the conference room still use the DLP or DLP related technology projector, but that's really not vivid. That's really not good. So from UNIView point of view, we do offer ultra thin unit module design. We can save a lot of spaces compared with traditional projector, and also our view angle is very brilliant. The horizontal, you can go up to 160. The vertical, you can go up to 140. The brightness is brilliant. You will not hurt your eyes because we do have technology reduce the blue lights. And at the same time, we can efficiently heat dissipation, fanless design, low noise, providing a perfect environment for the people in a conference room. This is a perfect. But I know because of the coronavirus situation now, yes, so we will not be able, to provide, maybe you will not find a good business opportunity at the moment, but we just let you know, UNIView can do in this conference room environment once coronavirus, is gone in the Australian market. We definitely can work with you together to make this happen for conference room. And the third for is our outdoor, solutions. That is digital out of the home. And we can see in this scenario, first of all, typically you will need outdoor products, but why UNIView can do this better than other competitor? The first of all is our brightness. We can offer over 5,000 needs brightness for the customer. At the same time, of outdoor products is embedded with IP65 technology. That means the normal light, rain, and dust, you will not need to worry about that. You just use as normal usage. And also for this outdoor technology use, we have to guarantee customers will have a 24 hours, 7 days, and 365 days usage. And our UNIView can do this because, as I introduced the slides before, we have a very strict control of quality control with over 680 different testing items we will do to guarantee every single pieces of the atom when they out of the manufacturer that is perfectly usage without any problem. And also with low battery consumption and a long services lifetime circle. Okay, so this three scenario is the major scenario I would like to deliver today. The first one that is commercial display. The second four is conference room, and the third four is out of the home. The products we will use, that is our fine pixel and the finest pixel LED products, and also outdoor pixel products. Okay, so UNIView. So today the presentation is come to the end. I would like to thank all of you your time for joining this webinar. And also I would like to express our sincerely thank you and also our vision. That is, we are hoping and we are finding business partner in Australia. We offer the best price performance, and there is no intermediate trader between. So you can buy the products directly from a UNIView, and we can create a business growth together in Australian market. We offer different products. We are 100% R&D, cost, price, performance, service guarantee. So all of things you can think about, you maybe you worry about before, that is not a big issue from UNIView because we are strong, we are stable, we have very good, growth rate, and also we have a very good cash rate from the company point of view. Okay, so this is the end of the presentation today. So I would like to thank you all of your time. If you have time, just send an email to me and or type your questions here. And also you can find more information from UNIView, UNIVREW.com, more information about our display products. So thank you all and have a good day. Bye-bye.